Ever pondered on the secret to crafting the perfect spaghetti carbonara within the comfort of your own kitchen? Your wait ends here, because today, we're going to delve into the heart of this classic Italian dish. It's simple, it's delightful, and it's something you can whip up in no time. Let's start our culinary journey by gathering the ingredients. You'll need 200 grams of spaghetti, 100 grams of pancetta, 2 large eggs, 50 grams of pecorino cheese, and, of course, a generous pinch of salt and black pepper. Remember, the quality of your ingredients plays a significant role in the final taste of the dish, so choose wisely. Now, let's dive into the first step, cooking the spaghetti. Fill a large saucepan with water, add a sprinkle of salt, and bring it to a boil. As the bubbles start dancing, add the spaghetti. Cook it until it's al dente, firm to the bite. This usually takes about 9 to 10 minutes. As our spaghetti is simmering away, let's glide into step 2, preparing the pancetta. Heat a large frying pan over medium heat. Add the pancetta and let it sizzle until it's crispy. This should take around 5 minutes. Once it's done, remove it from the pan and set it aside. Next, we transition into step 3, creating the creamy sauce. Crack the eggs into a bowl, add in the pecorino cheese, and season with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Whisk everything together until it's well combined. And now the moment we've been waiting for, the final step, combining everything. Once the spaghetti is cooked, drain it but save some of the pasta water. Add the hot spaghetti to the pan with the pancetta, then pour in the egg and cheese mixture. Toss everything together, adding a bit of the reserved pasta water if needed to make the sauce creamy. Voila! Your simple and delicious spaghetti carbonara is ready to be savored. To recap, we started by cooking the spaghetti and frying the pancetta. While these were sizzling, we mixed the eggs, cheese, salt, and pepper to create the sauce. Finally, we brought everything together, adding pasta water as needed. Remember, the best meals are not just about the ingredients or the recipe, but also about the love and passion you put into creating them. So go ahead, put on your apron and start creating culinary magic. Your perfect spaghetti carbonara awaits.